Hey everyone, guys. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Cash App to your PNC bank account. It's actually super easy, so let's dive right in. So first, guys, you will want to make sure that your PNC bank account is linked to Cash App, right? Just open Cash App, go to the home screen and tap on your profile icon. Then just select linked banks or add bank, and it just enter your PNC bank login details to actually connect with Cash App. So now, guys, once your PNC bank account is actually linked, you want to go back to the home screen and tap on the balance tab. Okay, represented by the dollar amount at the bottom. Just select the cash out to start transferring your funds. Now, guys, what you want to do is basically just enter the amount you want to transfer to your PNC account. Then you want to choose between standard, okay, standard transfer, which is free, but it takes 1 to 3 business days, okay, or the instant transfer, which is immediate but charges a small fee, okay. And now, guys, once you have chosen your transfer speed, all you have to do is select next and confirm that the PNC bank account is selected as the destination, and just tap confirm, and your transfer, guys, is now in progress. Depending on what transfer speed you chose, okay, it will arrive either immediately or in 1 to 3 business days. And that's it, guys. Your money will be on its way to your PNC bank account. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials so I can see you guys in the next video.